near fell off.
Going towards the car. Two-wheel drive, the Giant 2G. Cameras on Steve. He's up, he's aware. He's coming along the arena. Coming down the arena. Everybody, look at that. It's amazing how slow he's going. He's still going. Still going. Give him a round of applause. One arm on the steering wheel, one arm on the seat. Boys and girls, shout. Come on, Steve. You can go faster. And as he went fast and then slows it back down, what a view these guys are getting at the top. You shout, roll jets. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! Make some noise. Doing wheelies, standing up on the seat. Now when the black and white helmet is on, the black helmet is bundled. Watch this. These are called zero circle wheelie. Onto the tank, onto the seat, onto the peg, back to the seat. Keep going, keep spinning. All the way around it. Make some noise for Mando. And get a photograph of that, everybody! The camera's ready on the ramp. 3, 2, 1. Lines it up to go off the ramp. No, hand the line there. Clap your hands for Dean. Come down the arena. 3, 2, 1. Can Jack be in the last car? Fingers crossed. 3, 2, 1. Round of applause. Cameras on the ramp. Come on, Jack. No hand to lander. True, I reckon. Are you ready? Marty's ready. 3, 2, 1. You scream, all 4 riders will jump. We're going to jump like that. A massive Indian air, make some noise from here. The 9 o'clock from Gary. Make some noise for Gary. 100 Seacraft Indian Air from here. And the lazy boy from Gary. 2 riders in the air. Indian Air, make some noise. 3, 2, 1. And I bring you fire. Big Pete is going to walk up the field. Everyone shout, come on, Pete!
Come on, Pete. If
he gets past those cars, you've got to shout, you can go to the top. Up to 3, you can go to the top. 1, 2, 3. cage all the way around inside. He's waving at you, you give him a wave back. The biggest set of chromed wheels I've ever seen on a car. Massive set of tyres on the back. And if you want to buy this car, it's not for sale, but it costs £90,000. And you know your car that you've got to know. This has got 760 horsepower. But hang on a second, where's the motorbike from? The motorbikers have come in as well. If the motorbikes can do donuts, I wonder if the motorcar can do donuts as well. Look at the blue smoke, smell the blue smoke coming off those tyres.